Welcome to Tips for Human Resilience. While our regular podcast covers topics related to cyber and human resilience, our Tips for Human Resilience is focused on helping leaders in the workforce help their organizations.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Once you've accepted that your business needs AI, the next step is to choose the right approach. Today, we're giving you our step-by-step guide to implementing AI. First, start with Microsoft Copilot if you're already using Microsoft 365. It's the fastest way to see productivity gains without changing your infrastructure. Copilot enhances the tools your team already uses, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams, by adding AI capabilities for document creation, data analysis, email drafting, and meeting summaries. It's ideal for companies of all sizes, especially small to mid-sized businesses with a limited workforce. Next, consider private LLMs if your business handles sensitive data, operates in a regulated industry, or needs AI trained on specialized knowledge. Private LLMs offer greater control over data security and customization. Businesses like healthcare providers, financial services, and manufacturers with proprietary processes are great examples of who would benefit from private LLMs. Now, here's a simple roadmap to help you implement AI effectively. Step 1. Identify high-impact use cases. Start by documenting tasks that consume time but follow predictable patterns, like proposal writing, customer inquiries, or data entry. Step 2. Calculate current costs. Understand how much these inefficiencies cost in time and money. For example, if your sales team spends 15 hours a week creating proposals, that's over $18,000 annually in labor costs. Step 3. Start with a pilot program. Choose one use case and a few enthusiastic team members. Avoid rolling out AI company-wide at first. A pilot lets you refine your approach and demonstrate value. Step 4. Set measurable success metrics. Define clear goals, like reducing proposal time by 60%, cutting customer response time to under 2 hours, or eliminating 80% of routine data entry. This will help you see growth or where things need to be adjusted. Step 5. Choose your starting technology. For most SMBs, Airiam recommends Microsoft Copilot as the best place to begin. Step 6. Plan for change management. Support your team through workflow changes. Some employees will embrace AI quickly, while others may need time and training. Step 7. Scale successful implementations. Once your pilot proves value, expand gradually to other departments. Document what works and use those insights to accelerate adoption. If you're unsure where to begin, Airiam can help. We specialize in guiding SMBs through strategic and secure AI implementation. We'll assess your business needs, recommend the right solution, whether it's Copilot or a private LLM, and support your rollout to ensure measurable ROI and strong cybersecurity. The question isn't whether you need AI now, but how quickly can you implement it to stay competitive. To wrap up, here are 7 steps in our recommended AI roadmap. 1. Identify high-impact use cases. 2. Calculate current costs. 3. Start with a pilot program. 4. Set measurable success metrics. 5. Choose your starting technology. 6. Plan for change management. 7. Scale successful implementations. We hope you all enjoyed our podcast today. Please subscribe to this podcast on whatever platform you're listening to. New episodes typically come out every other Wednesday. For more information, visit our website,